Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kim Learning English. Today I have the exercise for you about how to use will and be going to បាទសួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះវិលត្រឡប់មកជួបនឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាម្ដងទៀតហើយជាមួយនឹងលំហាត់លំហាត់អនុវត្តនៃការប្រើប្រាស់ហើយយើងអនុវត្តតែម្ដងអំពី will ហើយនិង be going to បាទចំពោះវីដេអូមុនគឺយើងបានសិក្សារួចមកហើយអំពីមេរៀនទាំង exercise ថ្មីមានថាវីដេអូថ្មីនេះក៏មានទាំង exercise សម្រាប់អនុវត្តដែរមែនទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើល introduction តែម្ដងហើយយើងអនុវត្តបាទទាំងអស់គ្នានៅពេលដែលយល់អំពីការណែនាំឬក៏ introduction ទៅខាងលើហើយចាំជួយធ្វើទាំងអស់គ្នាបន្តមកគឺខ្ញុំនឹង correct នៅតាមក្រោយណាកែតម្រូវឲ្យ Okay now let's start yeah choose between will want or will not yeah be going to yeah or be plus not going to am not aren't or isn't as the correct answer អូខេអញ្ចឹងគេឲ្យយើងជ្រើសរើសរវាងការប្រើប្រាស់ will ហើយនិង be going to បាទអញ្ចឹងមានថា will ហ្នឹងបើសិនជាទំនងបរិស័ទអាចទៅជា say want ជាទំនងកាត់ឬក៏ទំនងខ្លីបាទបើសិនជាយើងទៅ say will លក្ខណៈជាទំនងវែង will not អញ្ចឹងទៅចំពោះការប្រើ be going to វិញបាទ be going to យើងអាចទៅ say វាជាទំនងស្របទៅយើងដាក់ទំនង be going to ទៅតែបើសិនជាវាជាទំនងបរិស័ទអញ្ចឹងគឺ be នេះ plus ជាមួយនឹង not បាទ be plus not ហើយបូកជាមួយ going to ដូចជាអីគេ am not yeah aren't ឬក៏ isn't yeah going to បាទអញ្ចឹងដាក់បានត្រឹមតែតាមប្រយោគប្រកេតបានត្រឹមត្រូវនៅក្នុងនេះគឺលំហាត់របស់យើងខាងក្រោមបាទតាំងពី1រហូតដល់ចុងក្រោយលេខ20នេះគឺយើងអនុវត្តបែបហ្នឹងថាតើយើងសម្រេចចិត្តសិនថាតើយើងត្រូវប្រើ will ឬក៏ be going to ទី1ទី2សួរថាប្រយោគនោះវាជាប្រយោគស្រោសំណួរឬក៏បដិសេធអញ្ចឹងដាក់វាឲ្យត្រូវតាមទម្រង់វាទៀតណា Okay now everyone let's start together yeah now let's start number 1 winter yeah the verb start December 21st okay so you have to decide is a plan or something just happen at the moment of speaking right okay winter will right okay will start yeah December 21st and number 2 oh no we wanted to go to the park but it is raining we yeah verb go yeah shopping instead okay so everyone we will go right okay we will go shopping instead and number 3 we travel to Geneva this winter plan or no plan everyone number 3 yeah plan right we are going to yeah to travel okay to Geneva this winter and number 4 we yeah not go yeah not go mean in the negative form right but just will or be going to we not go to the party next Friday we already have other plans yeah so number 4 yeah we and okay and going to go okay number 5 that party tonight sound fun we probably go okay do you still remember about the previous exercise or lesson everyone yeah which one do you use with about probably use with will or be going to yeah okay so we will yeah probably okay go and number 6 David was very excited about his holiday I think he enjoyed it yeah so the verb enjoy so I think yeah do you still remember everyone I think yeah I think he will yeah sorry he will enjoy it okay and number 7 I get a verb repair the shower when I get home from work this evening. Okay, plan or no plan, everyone? Yeah. I plan, right? Number 7. I am going to repair. Okay. And number 8. Oh no, the oven is broken. We not cook dinner at home tonight. Yeah, in the negative form. But which one to use? Will or be going to, everyone? Yeah. We won't cook, right? Okay. And number 9. The leg freeze in the winter. Okay, freeze, the verb free. So the leg will, right? Okay, will freeze in the winter. And number 10. Susan, yeah, the verb have. Me with my report this afternoon. Okay, so number 10. Susan is, right, is going to have me, okay, with my report this afternoon in here. Number 11. I didn't know you would be going to a Thai restaurant. I, yeah, the verb not go, yeah, to dinner with you all night. Okay. Number 11, everyone. Yeah. I won't, right? I won't go, yeah, to dinner with you all tonight. Sorry. Okay, now let's go ahead. Yeah, number 12. Those clouds are very dark. I hope it, yeah, the verb not rain today. Okay, number 12. Yeah, I hope. Do you still remember? Just with hope. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, the negative one. I mean, one rain. Okay, one rain today. And number 13. There are no plans yet, but I know we, yeah, party on, yeah, his birthday. Okay, number 13, everyone. Yeah, we will, right? Okay, we will party on his birthday. And number 14. He doesn't like working at this company. He, yeah, the verb find a new job when this project is finished. Okay, so number 14. He will, right? He will find a new job. Number 15. Please join us for dinner tomorrow. I, the verb cook. Yeah, I cook. Yeah, lasagna. Yes, food's name in here. Okay, number 15. I am going to cook, right? Number 16. A bird just popped on my car. I, yeah, the verb take. Yeah. I'll it to the car wash. Okay. I will, yeah, take it to the car wash. Number 17. Is 11 o'clock p.m. already? I, yeah, too bad. So the verb go, right? So I will go, yeah, to bed. Okay. And number 18. She said she had a lot of things to do, but she, yeah, out at a bar tonight. Yeah, the verb possibly meet. Okay. Okay, so number 18. Yeah, she will, yeah, possibly meet. Okay. And number 19. I do not like being outside. I camping with you next weekend. Okay, verb not go. Okay. So what is it? I'm not in the negative, right? And just with plan, I'm not going to go camping with you this weekend. And number 20, the last one, right? Number 20, they have not had so many customers of the last few years. I think they, this restaurant soon. Close the verb. They will, they will close this restaurant soon. Okay, everyone, that's all. For the exercise that you start from number 1 to the last one, number 20. What's the difference? All the same. How to use will and be going to, and for the practice of the exercise. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.